Hey, this is Katrine with Easy Marketing, and today we're going to take a look at how to take a screenshot, how to take a piece of your screen that you want to save as a JPEG file. So let's take a look and see how this is done. If you have a PC, if you go in under Windows Accessories, you have this very useful tool called the Snipping Tool. So we're going to click on that, and here it comes up. Today I had someone saying she has this PDF file, and she wanted to make it into an image so she can post it on Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it a little bit smaller so we can see the full size. Then we're going to take the snipping tool and we click on New. All we need to do now is to mark it just like this. This is the area we are taking a picture of. And we are going to go in and we're going to click Save. And it's going to save down on our hard drive. And you can give it a name. We're going to save it. And now we have our image. And now you can use that image to your hard drive and use it anywhere. You can also make copies. If you want to, you can. You have a highlighter, so if you before you save it, you can highlight certain areas. You can even write in things here. So it's a very useful tool to have, to just take a copy of, in this case, a PDF file. Quickly transfer that into a JPEG, but it can also be a screenshot or just a part of a screen. So that's how you do it with Easy Marketing.